to share something I've been working on behind the scenes that I know is going to help so many of you in your Cricut and t-shirt business journey. Good day, everyone. I'm MJ from SPILLINGTEE'S, your go-to for custom t-shirts, tutorials, design tips, and behind the scenes hustle. If you love do-it-yourself apparel, creativity, and turning it into cash, you are in the right place. Some of you might remember that video I posted handling bulk shirt orders with my Cricut Explorer Air 2. That video, honestly, it was never supposed to be a video. It was just me combining two things I needed to do, which was finish an actual order and get a video out, because I didn't have time to record the way I normally do. I figured it would just be a quick behind the scenes share, but then the responses blew me away. So many of you watched, commented, and told me it helped you, and that's when it hit me. If that quick video helped so many people, what about all the details I left out? The parts I use every single time to keep bulk orders from overwhelming me. That response was the fire I needed to finish writing my first ebook, the Bulk T-Shirt Order Success Playbook: How to Mass Produce Custom Shirts Fast with a Cricut. That video showed you some basics: cutting vinyl, pressing shirts, staying consistent, but it didn't show you everything. And I never want to shortchange my T-Squad. The ebook is where I put it all together. How to prep your workspace and supplies so you don't waste time. A super detailed step-by-step workflow for the cutting, the weeding, and the pressing that helps you save hours. I've included a bulk order checklist so you never second guess yourself. There's pricing strategies that protect your profit. I even included the motivation and mindset tips I use for those late nights when you feel overwhelmed and feel like giving up. It's everything I use to handle 100 or more shirt orders with just a Cricut Explorer Air 2. And it is all in one place. If you are a one-woman or man show or shop, bulk orders can feel overwhelming. You're excited when you land them, but then the panic sets in. How am I going to finish this? What if I burn out? What if I underprice? What if I mess up and I have to come out of my pocket for more materials or supplies? Without a system, that fear is real. You can lose sleep, waste vinyl, or even miss deadlines. But with the right system, suddenly it is manageable. You know exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to keep your energy up along the way. That's what this playbook gives you. I don't want you to miss this, because the thing is, that YouTube video you saw, it wasn't the full picture. If you rely only on that, you'll possibly run into gaps, moments where you're stuck, where you second guess yourself, where you waste time or materials. I surely don't want that for you. This ebook is the missing piece, and without it, you might feel like something's missing from your process. But with it, you'll finally have the full roadmap. I created this because I don't want to hold anything back, and I care about this community deeply. I didn't want to leave you hanging with just a quick video. I would like for you to have the exact system I use broken down step by step so you can grow your t-shirt business without burning yourself out. This isn't just about hype. It is all about making your life easier, your process smoother, and your business stronger. You'll actually be happy and enjoying the process along the way. If you've ever felt stressed out just thinking about the piles of shirts and wondering if you get it all done, this playbook is what you've been missing. The Bulk T-Shirt Order Success Playbook is available right now. You can grab your copy here, which of course will be linked in the description. This is the full version of the video, the version that includes every single detail, a checklist, and every strategy I forgot to include in the video. It is ready for you to use today. So yeah, that quick video ended up being more than I expected, and I'm so glad that you found value in it. If you found value there, I promise you'll definitely get more value from this ebook. It started as something quick, but because of your support and your feedback, it turned into this complete playbook, and I don't want you to miss it, because this is the part that makes the process simple, stress-free, and profitable. But okay, T-Squad. One more thing before I go. Given the value of this ebook, I would like to offer the checklist to you free of charge as a token of appreciation for supporting my channel. This is just one of the most powerful tools inside of this ebook. This is the exact checklist I use every time I take on 100 or more shirts. It keeps me organized, on track, and saves me from making those small mistakes that can cost time and money. I want you to have that for free. Now, if you're not ready to add the book to your success collection, at least grab the free checklist. The link for that is below. As always, stay cool, calm, and creative. T-Squad, much love.